What's up guys, today I got some very weird credit card size gadget that fits your wallet. So let's see what they're all about. For the first gadget we got here credit card size USB cable. In case you forget to charge your phone and you really have to charge it up, no big deal. You always have a cable to charge up your phone, at least in the theory. Let's see if it actually works. And how does this open? Opens like that, boom. What is that? Oh, there you go. So that's come off like this and unspins. Then this charger goes into Android cell phone, the older models, and this plugins into the computer USB cord. So it's obviously going to work, but wow, I can't believe that they actually come up with this gadget to make it fit into the credit card size. So to put it away, a little bit of a pain, but not too hard, it's doable. As you can see, all I have to do is just spin the cord back into this little rail and it slides in pretty easily, and cord is very manageable. Then you plug this in, or actually the other way I guess. There you go. And then close this back up. Wow, I can't believe it actually works so well that it can be reusable. Now just stick to your wallet and you're ready to go, always ready to charge your phone. For the next gadget, this is very unique. I just found it and I was like, whoa, I have to show it to you. iCard pocket readers. So this is pretty much credit card size reading glasses. Wow, check this out. Plus 2.5. So I guess you can change them and buy different ones. So the idea is it's going to go on your nose, it's not going to fall out, because right here, let me show you close up, this goes into your nose. Wow, what a great idea. I didn't think it's going to stick to your nose. So let me put it on, see if it works. As you can see, they magnify a lot. Look at my eye, that's crazy. But yeah, 2.5 is really stone glasses. I don't use glasses, but if you have bad vision, or I might have when I get older, and I know so many people always forget glasses. Guess what? Stick this into your wallet. You need to read the menu, pull it out of your wallet and stick it like this on your nose. Wow, can you believe this? I actually can see worse now with these reading glasses because they are too stone. But how cool is that? It actually fits so well. I can't believe it. They're not coming off. Okay, fine. If you're gonna shake it this hard, of course they're going to fall off. But honestly, they actually stick really well to your nose and not coming off easily. Unbelievable. And they actually, when I plug it in, I can put them closer to my eyes or farther. Depends the way you wanna see them, but you see my eyes right on the glasses. If you can put them farther away so you can watch over them. If you're looking down, you're looking right at the glasses. Depends how you like to wear your glasses. Unbelievable. I thought it was funny. I didn't think it actually going to work, but it does. Thumbs up for me. If I need ever reading glasses in the future, I'm definitely going to stick some of this in my wallet in case I forget mine or lose them or break them. I have an extra and I can read. Awesome. Okay, let's see what this thing is all about. Oh, nice. This is a mini flashlight. Check this out. Will fit your wallet, no problem. Look how thin that is. Boom. Credit card size, and of course it's pretty bright too. Let me turn off all the light. Boom. In case you're stuck in a dark day, you cannot see anything, you can pull out this flashlight and look how well it does. Love it. You can see the chair, the wall. Once again, just stick it into your wallet and there's two LED flashlights which are pretty bright. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Boom! Who does not like calculators? I do, and guess what? I just ordered one of these ones and it came 3 in a pack. Look how thin that is. Compared to the flashlight, flashlight is a little bit thinner, but wow. It's also solar powered, so we don't have to even worry about changing batteries. But let's multiply something. 45 multiply 50. It's like touchscreen actually. Equals 2250. So it works really great. So another pretty useful item. You can calculate the tip without turning on the phone. It's already in your wallet, so you open your wallet for credit card and you got yourself a calculator and you don't have to pull up another app. Just a cool credit card size gadget as well. For the next gadget we got here micro card Tetris. Pretty much same thing as credit card size Tetris. Interesting packaging. Wow, look at that. Actually looks really cool. There's a board, there are chips inside there. And how do you turn it on? Oh, there's a sound or no sound right here, and on and off. Wow, I think we need sound. Can you believe it? It's actually making noise like Tetris. It's a little bit thicker than calculator, but can you believe it? Let's see the flashlight. Still very thin compared to flashlight as well. And there you go. Does it work? Let me see. Ready, set. Check this out. So as you can see, it works really well. Let's knock off one line. I can't believe it. This is so cool. I've got a square right here. That everything works. And boom, we got a level. I can't believe it. So, in case your phone died or you love Tetris, I would get one of these gadgets for sure. Oops. I wasn't paying attention, my bad. But yeah, as you can see, it definitely works. I can't believe it. Credit card size Tetris. This is my favorite right here. And guess what? It actually comes with a charging cord. So I guess you'd plug it in like this and plug it in into your computer and charge it up. Or you can use your credit card size cable to charge up your cell phone so it goes together into your wallet. Perfect. How often did you need a last minute USB? Well, guess what? You don't have to worry about putting it on your keychain or something. Put it in your wallet. Look how thin that is. This is just a credit card. And all you have to do, flip it pretty sure. And you got right here a little USB. Let's see how much memory does this one have. 16 gigabyte USB right into your wallet in the credit card size. Amazing. So that way you're not going to lose it that easily. I really love that. 16 gigs is plenty to drop maybe a video, maybe you can drop a bunch of pictures. There you go. Always have one. LED illuminated credit card magnifier. So let's open it up, see what it's all about. Wow, this one is fancy. You know what? They call it credit card, as you can see, but this is probably the thickest credit card size gadget. Might be way too thick. Calculator, Tetris, and reading glasses. If you put them next to each other, 3 things versus 1 thing. So it's definitely way too thick to be credit card gadget, in my opinion. But nevertheless, I still love this thing. You press it right here. And you got here a little light, so that way you can actually zoom in into stuff. So it's pretty cool, but my complaint, this is just way too thick. And one more I think I have here. Let's open it up. This one is pretty new as well. This is some kind of kit. I think this is a glass repairing kit, something like that. So pretty much a toolkit for your glasses. But yeah, that's pretty cool. You got here extra screws to fix your reading glasses, sunglasses, screwdriver, flathead, and a Phillips head. And this side here is, I guess, for your, I guess they stick onto your nose arrest. And I don't know what this is. So we got here credit card size tool set to fix your glasses. Pretty cool. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Honestly, my favorite surprisingly was iCard. I did not think it would stay on your nose, and I did not think it would be lined up with your eyes. I thought it would be too small. It actually works amazingly. I can't believe it. Also, another surprising gadget is credit card size Tetris. Unbelievable. This thing is amazing. Definitely a thumbs up for me for these two gadgets. But I do love the rest of them as well. But those two definitely surprised me because I did not think they're going to work that well. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.